Here we are once again. The stock market has been putting in some all-time highs this week. Let's bring in Joe Tegay of Equity Armor Investments. And Joe, good to see you there. What do you think about the VIX? The volatility index is right around a 16. That's relatively low, and sometimes a sign that investors and traders are comfortable with the stock market going higher. What is it saying to you?
Well, 16 now relatively is low because it's been a long time since we've been here, so that is okay. It seems to be coming in, and there seems to be more confidence in the market. However, maybe it's coming in as the rally seemingly is still going on, but maybe not going up as fast as it had in previous quarters. So maybe volatility to the upside is starting to slow down. So we'll see if that trickles over and changes the momentum anytime soon. Now, the market had been rallying in spite of rates also going up, but right now, Fed saying, we're not worried at all about inflation. Maybe deflation is a bigger risk. So that's kind of a head scratcher to me, but certainly that's been good for the stocks that enjoy low rates.
Do you think bank earnings this week could propel the stock market higher?
Yeah, so far it has. Of course, Goldman came in saying really good trading revenue, not so good traditional banking revenue. So it's interesting to see how all that's shaking out. Of course, the rest of the bank's not doing nearly as well as Goldman on Wednesday, and that's kind of something we're going to watch. Is the loan activity going to be able to meet the demand, or are banks going to be able to perform like we all expected they did? And really, it's interesting to see how the market is really saying to these companies going through this earnings season, we've had a tremendous run in the market. We're expecting the economy to run hot. And right now, it's time to prove it, companies. We have high PE ratios. Your earnings should start to match these ratios. And if they're not, a lot of companies are getting hit really hard.
Thanks for your Trader Talk, Joe.
Thanks for having me.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.